A very good evening to you. I'm Dwayne Burbick with your Business Day. Radio Jamaica reports that its profit in the financial year, which ended on March 31, was $145 million. That was a turnaround from more than $224 million in losses recorded in the same period a year ago. Radio Jamaica, in its audited financial statements, says the increase in performance is due primarily to net profits of $95 million from the Gleaner Company Media Limited and an improvement in profitability of the pre-amalgamated RJR Group. The Jamaica Customs boss, Velma Ricketts Walker, continues to outline changes she will be making in the entity to make it more efficient. Ms. Ricketts Walker, who was speaking on the weekend at the Lannerman and Morris 45th Anniversary Gala, said part of the change will come in the performance of her agents.
On the horizon from our customs automated process is a module called ACPM. This module will ensure and measure customs performance, and this is a game changer. Manifest submission to declaration to the release of cargo. It will allow for accurate measure of time and motion, and a time and motion study of our processes, therefore identifying bottlenecks to see where we need to improve.
She says the customs agency will also report its performance data for assessment by its clients. Let's look at currency trading now, which ended today with the US dollar selling for $130.15. The Canadian dollar costs $96.39. The pound is going for $166.96, while the euro costs $147.84. The price of oil fell today. Oil for delivery in July settled 26 cents lower at $47.40. It is the lowest settlement for oil in a month. The KLE Group says it will be opening its newest Usain Bolt Tracks and Records franchise in Montego Bay. The company, in its annual report, says the sports bar and grill will be opened before the end of this year. This comes as the company reports a turnaround, recording $165 million in profits in the last fiscal year, compared to a loss of $33 million in the previous year. Finally, this evening, stock trading ended today with the main JC Market Index down more than 1,091 points, while the Junior Market Index lost 15. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Derriman Trading, Jamaica Broilers, Jamaican Teas, Knutsford Express, Panjam, Seprod, and T-Tech. On the losing end were Blue Power, Carreras, Lasco Distributors, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, and Scotia Investments. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.